Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to mix Orgain protein powder step by step. First, select your preferred liquid such as water, milk, or a plant-based alternative. Next, measure out 1 level scoop of Orgain protein powder. You can use either a shaker bottle or a blender, depending on your preference and desired consistency. Let's get started with the basic preparation. For a quick and easy shake, the shaker bottle method is ideal. Begin by pouring 8 to 10 ounces of your chosen liquid into the bottle. Then, add 1 level scoop of Orgain protein powder. Make sure the lid is securely fastened to prevent any spills. Shake the bottle vigorously for about 30 seconds until the powder is fully dissolved and smooth. If you prefer a super smooth texture or want to add extra ingredients, the blender is your best friend. Combine 8 to 12 ounces of liquid with 1 scoop of Orgain protein powder. Feel free to add fruits, vegetables, or ice for a delicious smoothie. Blend on high speed for 30 to 60 seconds, or until your mixture reaches the perfect consistency. Here are a few tips to help you create the perfect Orgain protein shake every time. Adjust the amount of liquid to achieve your preferred thickness, whether you like it thin or thick. For the best taste and texture, mix your shake immediately before you plan to drink it. Don't be afraid to experiment with different liquids and additions to discover new favorite flavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.